Wow, beautiful cars. Gernot, I know that Audi has delivered more than 10 million vehicles right up until now, and currently is launching its biggest product initiative here. So the A6L is one of your most successful models. I'm just wondering, where does the A6L e-tron fit in here?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, as you mentioned, the A6L is a cornerstone of Audi's success in China and continues to be highly relevant for our customers. Since 1999, we have sold more than 3 million A6L in China. With the A6L e-tron, we are expanding this successful lineup into the electric age. This reflects our broader approach, offering a diverse portfolio that meets different customer needs and preferences.
Oh, perfect. What makes this A6L e-tron stand out?
Yeah, it's our first all-electric Audi sedan in this upper segment, produced locally in China with 800-volt architecture. It can charge up to 302 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes and reaches a total range of up to 815 kilometers. At the same time, it delivers the comfort that A6L customers expect.
Well, sure. Yeah, I know that Chinese customers right now is increasingly value the digital intelligence. So how do you ensure that the models like A6L e-tron is fully integrated into China's digital lifestyle?
Yeah, digital intelligence is central for us in China. Together with leading local partners like Huawei, we deliver advanced level 2++ driver assistance tailored to Chinese traffic, combined with a China-specific infotainment experience. This brings Audi even closer to Chinese customers because we develop our cars around how people live and move in China today.
Yeah, I see. A6L has an incredible legacy in China, and the e-tron is truly an exciting next chapter, I think. 好的，那 A6L
The A6L has sold over 3 million units in China. The pure electric version both continues the successful lineup and offers more choices for users who prefer electric cars. The A6L e-tron is characterized by very strong power, acceleration and range, while delivering the same comfortable experience. In terms of intelligence, it has fully enhanced the experience in driver assistance and the cabin. Audi's pursuit of ultimate performance has never been limited to the road. Next, please turn your attention to the center of the stage.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.